Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Noila Creations. Today I'm sharing a delicious recipe of chana masala. Here I'm using a dessert bowl for measurement. Soak one dessert bowl of chickpeas overnight in water. In the morning, throw the water out and wash 3 to 4 times with plain water. Then transfer the chickpeas into a pressure cooker. Here I'm adding water till it reaches the level above the chickpeas. You may add water as required. Add 3/4 tablespoon of salt or as required. Add 1 Kashmiri chili cut into 2 pieces. Stir it using a spoon. Cover the pressure cooker with a lid. Place the pressure cooker on medium flame and cook till 4 to 5 whistles come. Once the pressure cooker cools down completely, remove the lid. The chickpeas are cooked well. Place a pan on medium flame. Add 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds. Add 1/4 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Roast for a few seconds. Then remove from the pan, put it in a bowl and keep aside. In the same pan, add little oil. Add 1 sliced onion, 1 inch of ginger peeled and chopped, 4 small cloves of garlic chopped. Saute on medium flame until the onions turn slightly brown. Now add half coconut grated, half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Roast on medium flame until the color of the grated coconut changes. Add 1 heaped teaspoon of Goan Garam Masala. I am using ready-made homemade garam masala. Now add in the roasted coriander seeds and roasted cumin seeds. Give it a good mix. Add 1 slit green chili. Mix. Switch off the flame and let it cool. Once it cools down completely, transfer it into a mixer jar. Add 1 small lime size of tamarind soaked in water. Add water as required. Grind into a paste. Heat little oil in a vessel on medium flame. Add 1/4 teaspoon of ing, few curry leaves, 1 chopped onion, stir it, add little salt, stir, add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Mix. Once the onions turn translucent, add half chopped tomato. Mix and cook until the tomato turns soft. Now pour the ground masala from the mixer jar. Give it a good mix. Since there was some masala remaining in the mixer jar, I added water to it and now I am pouring it into the vessel. Mix. I am keeping half dessert bowl of chickpeas aside. I am transferring rest of the chickpeas from the pressure cooker to this vessel. I am mashing the chickpeas which I had kept aside. Transfer the mashed chickpeas into the vessel. Add salt as per your taste. Mix well. Add a handful of fresh coriander leaves washed and chopped. Mix well. Cover the vessel with a lid and let it cook until the gravy thickens slightly. Keep stirring in between to prevent it from getting stuck. Now the chana masala is ready, so I am switching off the flame. By the way, if you like my videos, then do click on the like button. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe and click on the bell icon to get notified the moment I upload a new video, so that you don't miss any of my videos. Now I am garnishing it with fresh coriander leaves washed and chopped and one green chili. Delicious chana masala is now ready. If you tried this recipe, then do let me know in the comments how well it turned out. Thanks for watching.